Today we're looking at another AI song generator. This one's called Udio. So let's jump onto the computer and see how it compares and stacks up to what's already out there. Here I'm on the homepage and you can see it's still in beta, udio.com. Let's go ahead and sign into our account. I'm going to click on sign in and sign in with Google. Now you can link it to your Google, Discord, or your X account, Twitter. Here I am in my own account. Now you can see there's a couple of staff picks here at the top. These are some example songs you can have a look at. So let's just check some of these out. We're going to have a look at this one. Okay, we've got some really nice music. Let's see if we can find some other genres. Brilliant. Let's scroll down. Oh, lots of different genres here. We've even got some hip-hop genres, pop, electronic, and lots more. So let's get started on creating. I'm going to go to My Creations, and I'm going to create a new song by here at the top describing that song. Now I'm going to create a little song for my class. So I'm going to create a song about the water cycle, and now I'm going to choose a genre. So here you can see we have lots of different genres. Let's go with a bit of pop rock. That might be nice, a nice little pop rock, and we're going to add a bit of indie to that. Let's have it generate the lyrics. We don't have to add in custom lyrics, but we could add in our own lyrics. Maybe your class has come up with some amazing lyrics. You can pop those lyrics in, generate the music, and they can hear their own lyrics in different musical genres. An amazing activity to do with your kids in class. We can have it instrumentally. No, we don't want instrumental or auto-generated. Let's leave it here. I'm going to click on Create, and this is now going to generate that music for me. You can see here at the top, it's generating 2 tracks using that prompt. Now again, as I mentioned before, this is something you can do in class with your students. Really demo that prompting. Show them what does a good prompt look like. When it goes wrong, where can we tweak that? So here I now have 2 different songs generated. Let's listen to these one by one. Let's start with the one at the top. We're going to open up the song and press play. Okay, not a big fan of this. Very limited lyrics there, so you can see that it doesn't always work the way you would like it to work. Let's check out the second song. I rode the clouds, began to swirl. Through the sky, all through the sky, all through the sky, all through the sky. In addition to these songs that you've just heard created by me, you can also explore songs made by other creators. So here you can go, scroll down, find different genres, for example, electronic, to see what can it do. And then you can see lots of different genres. So you can see here. So as you can see, an amazing platform, and I cannot wait to see what you will come up with and what sort of songs you will use in your class and how your class might end up using their own lyrics to create songs. Now, I hope you found this helpful. Quick thank you to all our channel members. If you would like to become a channel member as well, scroll down and find that join button. Now, joining the channel will make sure that we can continue to create more content each and every week. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.